Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 31st October. Let's start. In the year of 1864, on this day, Nevada became the 36th province of America. In the year of 1875, on this day, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the freedom fighter of India and the first Home Minister of independent India, was born. He is known as Iron Man. In the year of 1905, on this day, a revolutionary demonstration took place in St. Petersburg, America. In the year of 1908, on this day, the fourth Olympic Games were held in London. In the year of 1943, on this day, Sri G. Madhavan Nair was born in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. During his 6-year tenure as chairman, ISRO, Department of Space, he achieved 25 successful mission achievements, EduSat, Chandrayaan First, PSLV C5, etc. In the year of 1953, on this day, television broadcasting began in Belgium. In the year of 1959, on this day, the Soviet Union and Egypt signed an agreement to build the Aswan Dam on the Nile. In the year of 1966, on this day, India's famous swimmer Mihir Sen swam across the Panama Canal. In the year of 1984, on this day, Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi was assassinated at her home in New Delhi by her bodyguards Satwant Singh and Beyant Singh. In the year of 1996, on this day, the approval of 65 countries required to implement the Chemical Weapons Ban Treaty was obtained. In the year of 2003, on this day, the 22-year-long rule of Malaysian Prime Minister Mahathir Mohamad came to an end. In the year of 2003, on this day, Bethany Hamilton, aged 13, was bitten by a shark while surfing in the Hawaiian island. In the year of 2004, on this day, USA air strikes on Fallujah. In the year of 2005, on this day, China and Nepal agreed on a joint inspection of the border. In the year of 2005, on this day, Amrita Pritam, the famous writer of India, passed away. In the year of 2015, on this day, Russian airline Kogli Mavia's plane 9268 crashes in North Sinai, killing all 224 people on board. In the year of 2018, on this day, statue of India's Iron Man, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the world's tallest statue and named Statue of Unity, height 182 meters tall, unveiled on Sadhu Beth Island in the Narmada River in Gujarat state. In the year of 2019, on this day, the US House of Representatives votes to formalize the impeachment proceedings against President Trump. In the year of 2019, on this day, a fire broke out in all the main structures of Shori Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site on the southern island of Okinawa, Japan. In the year of 2019, on this day, Abu Ibrahim al-Hasmi al-Qurashi became the new leader of the jihadist group Islamic State after US Special Forces killed its former leader. In the year of 2020, on this day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the country's first seaplane service between the Statue of Unity near Kevadia in Gujarat's Narmada district and the Sabarmati riverfront in Ahmedabad. In the year of 2020, on this day, Indian Administrative Service Officer Rajiv Jalota was appointed as the chairman of Mumbai Port Trust. The central deputation order was issued by the Appointments Committee of the Union Cabinet. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Airports Authority of India leased the Lucknow Airport to the Adani Group for a period of 50 years. In 2021, today, in India, National Unity Day is celebrated. It is celebrated on 31st October every year since 2014 to commemorate the birth anniversary of the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This year marks the 146th anniversary of the Iron Man Patel, who played an important role in India's freedom struggle and later during the country's integration. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.